Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an article using Canva AI. And not only that, it is able to create an article, it will also do some editing, which basically adds some colorful theme into the page. So here's how you can do it. First, let's open canva.com and then you can log into your account. And then here you have to navigate to a menu called Canva AI. You can click on this menu. You can also click on this menu on the left side of the screen. It doesn't really matter because they're actually directing you to the same thing, which is Canva AI. And then here you can describe what is your idea, what is the topic, or what is the thing that you are trying to create. So in this case, I'll try to create an article about how to get a flying license. And after that, you can enable draft a document and you can select the type to be article, or maybe you can create a story, script, or even a blog post. It doesn't really matter. I think I'm going to be using blog post because article and blog post is kind of synonym these days. So after that, you can send the message to Canva and then it will start generating the article. Now, unlike most other formats in the document creation, Canva will only create one document. It is not creating 4 or 3, it's only creating 1, which is a bit disappointing, but at least we can do it over and over again. And also we can ask Canva AI to modify the document or modify the visual if you want to. So it's still creating a document, but it should be done in a second. And there you go. So this is the theme and also the article that was created by Canva. Now, if you're not happy with the result, you can always ask Canva to modify the theme and you can send the request again and it will try to adapt to the request that you have sent to AI. So that's the benefit of using this feature. You can always communicate to Canva AI about the thing that you are trying to achieve. And basically when you're done, if you're happy with the result that Canva has provided, you can always click this button, the use Canva editor, and you can actually open it on a regular Canva editor and you can do further editing, or you can also just download the document to your device. So I guess that's basically it. That's how you can create an article or maybe a blog post using Canva AI. Now, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.